Councilor. Mali po. Because the GMC was approved April 18. Anong agreement na pinagsasabi nyo? Verbal agreement? Verbal agreement?
Your Honor, ang consideration nga po yung...
No, ang tanong ko, you said about the agreement. You're under oath. Can you produce that written agreement prior to GMC?
Hindi po, requirement lamang po.
No! Ang tinatanong dito is your agreement. And you told this committee that this is an agreement. Can you produce the document?
There's no agreement during that time, Your Honor.
Yun yung sinasabi ko, huwag mong sabihin na may agreement. Because if it is verbal, hindi po pwede yun. Pangalawa, malinaw po, kaya chinek ko yung chronology of events, April 18 po. Inulit ko pa ulit kay Ma'am Chona. And the payment, the 2 million and the 20 million is prior to the GMC.
Yes.
And it is not allowed. Yun po. Gusto ko lang linawin na please, pakiano lang po, make sure you answer. And please, ano lang po, sagutin ang tanong truthfully and with all honesty. Kasi baka mapipilitan kami dito. Ako, I just want to, to warn you.
Mr. Chair.
Kasi, sandali po, you keep on insisting about that agreement. And now, you admit that there is no such agreement. Wala talaga, kasi GMC was signed April 18.
Yes, I will.
After you, Kongsiya, naghintay din po si Chairman Chua.
Yes, I yield the remaining of my time to Chairman Joel. Pero gusto ko lang pong linawin po sa atin. Lahat po tayo pa serbisyo publiko. Di ba? Alam mo natin, pag may agreement po yan, nakasulat, okay lang payment in advance. Tama po yan, walang problema. Ngayon, sinabi niyo po, walang agreement. Ginawa po tinatanong ko, kung philanthropist po yan, ang nagbigay, kasi out of his good heart, wala akong problema yan, baka donation pa yan eh. Pero yung mismong nagbayad ay yung nang nagbenta, ay yung nagbumili. So ang labas po niyan, tas wala naman, sabi naman sa COA, hindi na post yung pag-open sa bidding kasi tapos siya pa yung nakakuha. So that would leave us, the members of this committee, very, very suspicious about that. Because if that's the case, the one who gave the 22 million, all in total, to pay for the electric bill, without any legal basis for the LGU to enter and to accept this cash payment, whatever you call it, or donation, and then leading up to this person owning the public utility, that to me is a plain and simple definition of a bribery, Sir Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Zia. Now, before I recognize Congressman Chua, after you